So this is that same patient, just opposite side, okay? And for this one, he didn't need a full crown or like a 3/4 crown. He just needed this little kind of like onlay, inlay sort of restoration. You see, and this guy, everything that goes in his mouth, he destroys. Every bit of composite or ceramic I've ever put in his mouth, this guy has totally smashed to bits. And it's a little surprised. Look at the way his teeth look, right? So for him, everything that we're doing is gold. And if you look at this little kind of like inlay onlay thing, I mean, it is very low retention. So for these types of things, you're going to take that AEP, that adhesive enhancing primer, and I just put it on a micro brush and I just give it a really, really good scrub in and around the tooth and all over wherever that restoration is going to be touching. And then blast it with like full power air for about 10 seconds. You don't need to light cure it. And then I'm just going to air dry it as hard as I can for 5 seconds to get as much of that primer off of there, because you don't want your cement sticking to every damn thing that's in the mouth. Once the cement has been placed, you can see some of it oozing out here just on the corner. Basically what I do is I take, you can see it's a little bit of there interproximally in the mesial, and I just take a clean micro brush that I have dipped in a little Listerine. This was a trick my mentors taught me. The essential oils that are in the Listerine do the same thing on your teeth that they do on restorations. They prevent bacteria and the cement from sticking. So while that cement is still kind of like setting up, I'll just wipe that off and it leaves a super clean finish. You can see on the lingual how seamless that is. Whereas the cement, you can see again, kind of on the mesial, kind of oozing out that little kind of translucent little look. So there's the final result. And again, I'm using this for a lot of inlays, onlays. I'm using it for ceramic too. I really like it for these. It's super easy to clean up. With the caveat, let me just make a note. The caveat with it being super easy to clean up is that you need to only tack cure it for like a second. And then you got to start going. Don't tack cure it for 2 or 3 seconds on each side. That stuff will be rock hard and you'll never get it out. So just make sure that you're following some of my instructions and getting on your cleaning game, within the first second.